In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the number of emails shown per page. If you're working through a lot of messages, adjusting how many emails you see at once can make Gmail feel faster and more organized. Here's how to do it from a computer using a web browser. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon. That's the settings button. When the quick settings panel opens, choose the option that says See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings dashboard where you can control deeper preferences for your account. You'll land on the General tab by default. That's exactly where we need to be. Scroll through this page until you find the section labeled Maximum Page Size. This area controls how many conversations you see on each page of your inbox. In Gmail, conversations refers to email threads, so multiple messages about the same subject can count as one conversation. Even if you prefer single messages, this setting still determines how many entries are listed per page before you need to click Next. Next to the line that says Show X conversations per page, click the drop-down menu. You'll see a set of choices: 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, or 100. Pick the number that fits how you like to work. If you prefer tight, focused pages that load quickly, go with a smaller number like 10 or 15. If you want to minimize clicking through multiple pages and you're comfortable scrolling, choose 50 or even 100. Just keep in mind that larger pages can take a little longer to load on slower connections or older computers. After selecting your preferred number, don't stop there. Scroll all the way to the very bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, Gmail won't keep your new page size. Once you click Save, Gmail will briefly refresh and your inbox will now display the number of conversations you selected on each page. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most out of this change. This setting affects how many items you see not only in your main inbox, but also in labels and search results, since those use the same page size. And remember, you can always come back and adjust this anytime if your needs change. It doesn't delete or move any emails, it simply controls how many are listed at once. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've customized Gmail to show the number of emails per page that works best for you.